welcome back. It's my channel. I am Camille, and today we are going to be doing, well, not we, but I am going to be showing you guys my room. So I kind of like went to the mirror of my room. So yeah, this is the front of my room. I accidentally got my finger in the camera, I think. So you walk in. So basically, door. And then, up the ground, so I got my shoes there. You walk in, and basically, you see that I have a dollhouse over here, a humongous dollhouse that is like 3 stories tall. And then I have this like board of cars. And then over here, I have this shelf, it's white. And I have a bowl of stars. Got a little Christmas tree thing. Got a dollhouse, I got some books, some Legos. And I kind of like made this like area look like a room. And over there, it's the bucket of toys. And over there is the closet, which I'm not going to show because closets are boring. There's only like clothes in there, like literally. Or shoes. And shoes if like you have any in your closet. Over here we have like a bed thing where you can like roll up and like have sleepovers. And then over here, bucket of stuffed animals, backpack. Sadly, we're not going to school. And then, I don't know why, but I just have like white dress here. My dollhouse. I have like this little like kitchen playset. Over here was the mirror, and I have like that candy dispenser kind of thing, and my little piggy bank. And then I have some games. Some puzzles, which I lost pieces of. I'm trying to find them. And then I have my pillow with the letter C on it. And I have my desk. And I have a really cool like clock. And I have my curtains and the blinding sunlight. And then I have my bed with like my teddy bears and a little cute little snowman I got from Christmas. Over there I have some like head wearing things. Okay. And then inside this is like really messy. And then inside this is also very messy. And then inside this is also very messy. Okay, so that's kind of my room. My room is actually really like small, so yeah. Like normal rooms, they could be a bit messy, and yeah, my room is kind of messy. Under my bed, if you can see, boys would think that these dolls are like creepy, but like that's my dolls section where I put my dolls. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, remember to press the like button, and I can't make a triangle. That's a circle, but subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye!